Shifting focus to some other news now coming in, the controversial goods and services tax network has faced yet another criticism, and this time it is coming in from none other than the Comptroller and Auditor General. A CAG report that has said that there is a need for the goods and services tax network to re-examine the system to ensure the defects and the fact should be rectified before a proper rollout to the public. The report even goes on to say that 2 years of the tax rollout, the invoice matching, where all the supplies procured by a buyer and supplied by a seller are matched, was not in place. The report also added that the growth of indirect taxes slowed down to 5.80% in 2017-18 over the 2016-17 as compared to 21.33% during 2016-17.
GST, which was launched amid much fanfare and was hailed as the largest tax reform of the country 2 years ago on July 1st, 2017, is under the CAG's canon. According to the report, it shows that post the launch of GST, the growth rate of indirect taxes in the country has slowed down to 5.8% in 2017-18 from over 21% in a year ago. Apart from this, while it was widely expected that the compliance would improve as the system stabilizes, but on the contrary, the report shows that there is a declining trend of filing. Apart from this, the system validated input tax credit through the invoice matching is also not in place, which shows that the non-intrusive e-tax system still remains quite elusive. This also points out to the fact that there is not a proper coordination between the stakeholders, be it the center as well as the states. Also, the system has also become prone to ITC frauds. This is what the CAG has flagged in its report, and we also know that as recently MOS Finance Anurag Thakur had also said the same thing in one of the replies in the parliament. Apart from this, the return mechanism and technical glitches have also they also point to the same fact that even after 2 years of the GST implementation, they have not achieved what it was expected and what it was meant to do in these 2 years.